If you ride a motorcycle, your chain might be screaming for help, and you're not even hearing it. Most riders ignore the warning signs until it's too late. First clue? A rattling or clunky sound while shifting gears. That's not your engine singing. It's your chain begging for tension. Next up, check the slack. If your chain has more sway than your drunk uncle at a wedding, it's too loose. That slack wears out both the chain and sprockets faster than you think. Now look closely. See shiny links or rust spots. That's a red flag. Your chain shouldn't look like it's been dragged through a scrapyard. Ever felt a jerky ride at low speeds? That's not bad riding, it's chain binding. When the links stop moving smoothly, it throws off your entire ride. And worst of all, skipping. If the chain skips a tooth while accelerating, you're flirting with disaster. That's one step away from the chain snapping or locking up your rear wheel. A neglected chain isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. Regular cleaning, proper tension, and timely lubrication can save your wallet and maybe even your life. Have you ever ignored chain issues until it was too late? Share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your bike in top shape.